Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time. This is the January 2026 kit called Special Delivery. So let's see what's in this gorgeous box. All your kits come with tissue, and you get your full color instructions. The instructions are really quite clear. Lots of detail here. You've got your tape measure down the side in case we need to measure out anything. We've got our stamp set, which is Sending Love Airmail, this line of hearts, love stamp, the postage franking stamp, little rose, Happy Valentines just for you, and you brighten my day. If you wanted to say Happy Valentine's Day, you could always stamp the Happy Valentines and then just mask off everything and stamp the day. So really, really quite versatile. We've got some mini dimensionals. We've got our tear and tape. And now let's see what we've got here. These are gorgeous. So we've got some card fronts there. We've got envelopes. And we've got the 3 colors in the envelopes. And we've got pink card bases. This is probably our bubble bath. And Poppy Parade ink spot. We've got our die cuts with these stamps. This would go really well with the perennial postage dies as well. And we've got this card front, I believe, has one of the larger pieces go over top of it, but we'll get there. We've got some more die cuts here. Nice gold elements on there. And then we've got some more greeting die cuts there. And then we've got card bases. Whoops. And more die cut sheets. Let's just grab these out. So we've got this beautiful stem here, some little, I don't know if they're forget-me-nots, but little blue flowers, and our rose. So that is our January 2026 special delivery paper pumpkin kit. So stay tuned for the projects and that first alternate card.